Kendra. So I know it's been an eternity since I've done a video. So hi, I'm still here, and I wanted to do a straight to curly video for you guys because I recently had my hair straight because I wanted to give myself a trim. I had Kelsey trim it and then she didn't cut enough off, so I cut a little bit more off. You guys know I'm not afraid to chop off split ends or hair that needs to go. And I wanted to do a straight to curly and give you guys like an updated curly hair routine at the same time. So I share all the products I use to get these defined, shiny, juicy curls. And I'm really loving the products that I've been using recently. A lot of these products I've been using for the past like 6 months. Some of them are brand new, but most of them I've been using since last summer. And I'm really excited to share them with you guys. All the products that I use will be linked in the description box if you're interested. Yeah, so I'm not gonna ramble too much more. We're just gonna hop right into the video, and you guys let me know if you want more like hair content. I am officially a full-time curly now. I don't like my hair straight for real anymore, but you'll hear more about that later at the end of the video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy my straight to curly hair routine video. I hope this is helpful for you guys if you guys go from straight to curly, or if you need a routine to bounce back to, like, you know, get your curls back. Yeah, just keep on watching if you're interested. Okay guys, so this is the state of my hair right now. It's technically not pinned straight, but I was wearing it in like braids at night, like little plaits, to have it wavy like this, but I can't take it anymore and I just want to wash my hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is a bond repair treatment. I always like to do some form of a bond repair treatment when I go from straight to curly, because the bond repair is going to help get my curls to bounce back faster and strengthen the cuticle and do all the good things that bond repair treatments do. So I'm gonna be using the Olaplex treatment. This is the number 3 Repair and Strengthen Olaplex Bond Repair Treatment. So I've used this quite a few times, and I've also used the Curlsmith one. I really like that one. I actually prefer the Curlsmith one, but I just have this one here, and I can get this one at Salon Centric for cheaper. So I've been using the Olaplex one whenever I need to use it. So we're gonna use this one today. And as you guys can see, I had my hair straight because I really wanted to trim it again. So that's what I did while it was straight. And it's gonna feel much better when I go back curly. I'm probably not gonna straighten again until probably like December. If I decide to, maybe not. And I may even change my mind then. We'll see, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. That's always my way. That just makes it a lot easier when you section. I'm gonna spray my hair also, because you're supposed to apply this to damp hair. So that's another step you wanna remember. So I'm just gonna spray. Okay, so now that the bond repair treatment is all throughout my hair and I finger raked it through, I applied it evenly throughout my entire head. I'm going to put on a plastic cap just because I think it helps any like hair treatment work better. So I'm gonna put this on and let it sit for like 30 minutes, and then that's when I'm gonna wash my hair and style it. So yeah, we wait and finish my hair routine. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower, done with my wash routine, and I'm gonna quickly go through the products that I use to shampoo and condition my hair after the bond repair treatment. So the first product that I use is this Way Detox shampoo. This is the anti-dandruff shampoo. Kelsey actually introduced me to this because you guys know I'm a ride or die for the Way clarifying shampoo. Like, I really like that clarifying shampoo. I think that's what it's called. The clear looking one that has like an apple kind of color, because that one has apple cider vinegar in it. That's the one that I used to use constantly. I think I've gone through like 3 of those. But this one has like anti-dandruff properties in it, and Kelsey told me that this was a game changer for her like shampoo routine. I'm loving it so far, and I've really been liking it as like my first wash. It does have 2% salicylic acid in it, so it's fantastic for just getting rid of a lot of product buildup, and it's just great for the scalp. So this was the first shampoo. My second shampoo was this product from Design Essentials. I have been using this for, I want to say like 6 months now. This has been my go-to like second shampoo, and this is their honey cream sulfate free moisture retention super detangling conditioning shampoo. If you have extremely dry hair that gets tangled easily, but you need a really good shampoo that's going to cleanse the scalp without stripping it, girl, this is for you. I have not used a shampoo this consistently in a long time, and this one like has changed like the game for my hair health like overall, because sometimes I do wash my hair twice a week depending on what products I used in it, and this is a great product for when you're using shampoo more than once a week. And this is like a great second shampoo for me because I always shampoo twice. And today I did not use like a regular conditioner after my hair mask. I only used a hair mask today just because I did the bond repair treatment first, like before I shampoo, so I didn't want to add an extra step today. So I used this Matrix hair mask. This is the Food for Soft Rich Hydrating Treatment Mask for very dry and porous hair. This is so underrated. Like, I rarely see people talk about this hair mask, and the only girls I see talk about it are like a couple of curly girls that I follow on Instagram. For this to be for all hair types, it's incredibly thick. It's great for thick hair, because every time I use a hair mask that says it's for like dry hair and it's like super lightweight, I'm like, this is not for dry hair, y'all lie. This is incredibly thick. Look how thick it is. I love a thick hair mask because it actually does something for my hair. I feel like I'm not wasting a step. It smells really nice too. It's like a sweet, like soft smell, but the name is what it does to the hair. My hair is super soft after rinsing this out. I leave it in for about like 5 to 10 minutes, and I just like sit in the shower and let the steam like, you know, get into my hair strands with this in it, and it just works wonders. I love this hair mask. It does a great job at detangling, and it just makes your hair super soft and hydrated and moisturized, all the good things that a hair mask is supposed to do. And I'm someone who uses a hair mask every time I wash my hair. I don't skip hair mask, so I love this one. This has been like my new go-to. So this is the last step that I did in the shower, and I rinsed that out, and now we're here with my microfiber towel. I forgot the brand, but this is from Amazon. All the products in this video will be linked in the description box if you guys are already wondering about what I'm using. So moving on to my styling routine. Okay, this is my hair out of the shower with no product. As you can see, my curls are back, thank the Lord, but this is with no product. So I'm gonna start with a leave-in, obviously. And this is a product that I've been using for quite some time, but I haven't used it as a leave-in before. I've only used it as like a refresher product, like day to day, to like moisturize my ends. This is the Quimet Biologics brand, and it's called the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream with castor oil and, I can't pronounce that word, botanicals. It's for very dry, coarse hair, and it says it softens and moisturizes. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna work. I did do like a little chemistry product test on my hand, but you never know until it's in your hair. And I'm going to top that off with this Miche anti-humidity gel. This is the Golden Haze scent. This is like my favorite scent because it has like a nice like amber scent to it. This is really good. It smells so good. I love that Miche has different scents for this gel, just in case you get sick of one. Yeah, it smells so good. But the formula of this gel is absolutely fantastic. This has been my go-to gel for the past like 6 months. And Miche just knocked it out of the park with this product. But as you can see, I don't have that much left. So it's the same formula, just smells different. Putting on my little cape. If I can still find this product, I will link it. Love this, great for if your hair gets frizzy easily. And if you don't like products touching your clothes. I'm gonna spray my hair again. And I think I'm gonna just apply this in like one section instead of subsections, and then I'm gonna apply more of the gel. Okay guys, so I'm done applying my leave-in products. I'm going to air dry my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm probably going to sit under my hooded dryer and finish drying my hair that way. And then I'll probably be back tomorrow or the day after that to show you guys the results. My curls look pretty defined so far, and like I said, this is my first time trying this product combo. I've used the Miche gel obviously so many times, and the heavy cream, the amla oil heavy cream, but not together. So we're gonna see how this goes, because if you have curly hair and you try products and different combos, you just pray to the Lord that, you know, it look right. So I only finger coil the front of my hair, and then I just finger rake the back part because it would just take too long to finger coil my entire head. So I like finger coiled, and also just like did like the shingling method, like separate the curls, but only in the front. So yeah, I typically like to do that when my hair is coming from straight, just to encourage the curls to come back, especially in the front, because curls are a little bit more stubborn to come back in the front, typically because that's where the hair is more fine. The hair is thicker in the back, or at least I've noticed that with a lot of people's hair, including my own. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling, and I will see you guys when this is all dry and, you know, bouncy and shiny. It's the next day, well, the next morning, and my hair is pretty much completely dry. I probably should not have put on a black shirt to show you guys what my hair looks like right now, but it's pretty defined. I'm getting ready to go to work, so I just figure black is best. I'm gonna come back tomorrow on camera to show you guys my hair as well, because I think I prefer the results of my hair on day 2 or day 3, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, you know, right after it dried the first day. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I did stretch it a little bit because you guys know my curl pattern can tend to have some shrinkage. But this is the definition, and I'm so glad that, especially this side, because you guys know this used to be the heat damage side that I ended up cutting off like 2 years ago now. And I'm finally feeling hopeful, because after coming back from straight hair, this side is still curly, and that wasn't the case 2 years ago. So it's proof that wearing your curls more than straightening it is how you keep your curls intact. So this is why I'm pretty much a full-time curly, unless it's like once or twice a year if I straighten it now. If that, it depends on how I feel. But I really love that bond repair treatment. If you guys are wondering what you should be using right after you come back from straight hair, like if you're trying to get those curls to bounce back, use some kind of bond repair treatment. But anyway, I don't want to be late for work, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow, because I feel like I want to see my hair a little bit bigger and fluffier. And this is just air dried hair and then sitting under the dryer for like 40 minutes. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay guys, so I just got back from work. It is the next day, so this is technically day 2 hair for me. And this is how I prefer my hair to look. Not as, it still looks super like defined and tamed as it did the first day, but this is slightly more fluffy. And I think my favorite day is always day 3 hair. That's usually my favorite day for like what I like my curls to look like, but this is pretty close to it. So I have a little bit of residue. You probably can tell on camera because this was my first time using that product combo, but I still like how my hair feels. If it's crunchier at the beginning of the week, that's good because it's gonna last about a week, so I prefer that. But for the most part, it does look pretty good for that being my first time trying that heavy cream with the Miche anti-humidity gel. So I think I'm gonna try that again, but maybe use less of the heavy cream. But I like some kind of moisture product before I put on a styler. You guys know this. And my hair typically always turns out great. So these are my curls, looking super defined. So you guys let me know if you like more of like a talk through tutorial like this versus like a voiceover. Let me know, because I don't remember the last time I did like a talk through kind of tutorial, like hair routine video. So yeah, I'm glad I got my curls back. Again, typically I have only been straightening my hair when I want to give myself a haircut or let Kelsey cut my hair. So typically when I want to trim. So that's probably the only time I'll straighten it. Otherwise, I like wearing my curls. I prefer myself with my curls. And it's so weird because I used to enjoy my hair straight, but I don't really like my hair straight anymore, guys. I know. Unless it has some kind of like body or like curl or wave to it. Other than that, I don't really like my hair pin straight anymore. So yeah, curly it is. And yeah, I just prefer me like this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys next time.